Welcome to AI Arch Wizard. I am Lady Vox. So this is my ChatGPT use case for calculating how long investments can last in retirement. I used a scenario where I have $560,000 in investments, and I would like to withdraw $12,000 a month to live very well. So I asked ChatGPT the basic question of, if I have $560,000, how long can I withdraw $12,000 a month? And it gave me the most basic calculation. It also gave me some other information here, which prompted me to ask more questions. So it gave me my straight results, which tell me that I will get 46 full months, which works out to 3 years and 10 months. And it also gave me the assumptions that there is no investment growth, which wouldn't be true, that there are no taxes, which wouldn't be true, and that there is no inflation. So it asked me if I would like to factor in some more things. So based on some information that I have about the previous growth of this investment, I asked it to factor in 6% growth. So ChatGPT gave me the calculation again with 6% growth, which adds 7 extra months of withdrawals, giving me 53 months, or 4 years and 5 months. But this still assumes no taxes, which I feel will be a major impact on the longevity of my money. So again, I asked it to give me 2 scenarios of growth, 5 and 7%, so I could see the different outcomes. Here I got my 5% growth chart. This is showing me every month how much money I have left. This is my 7% growth chart, again, showing me how much money I have left after each month. I also asked it to export this to a table and add the tax drag. The tax drag is going to show me how much money I'm losing in taxes by making money. I guess this is how it works. So now, ChatGPT gave me a printable, downloadable spreadsheet with month-by-month balances that include the tax drag. This is including assumptions of a starting balance, a monthly withdrawal, 2 scenarios of growth, and a tax drag, which is 20% tax applied to monthly investment gains. It's also showing me each withdrawal, and it's showing me how much money I have left after the end of each month. I did not include fees or inflation. And this is the resulting spreadsheet with 2 tabs, one for each growth scenario. It generated a proper spreadsheet that shows each growth scenario, which looks like this. This one is the second one. And then here's our running balance. Here's our withdrawal, taxes, growth, and the number of months I can live like a king with $12,000 a month. So, thank you for watching. I am human, with a human voice, which you can also hear on my audio podcast at grumpyoldames.com. Please like to support the channel and subscribe to never miss a new video. See you next episode.